Once upon a sunny day, in a quaint little village, lived a curious girl named Lily. One day, while exploring the woods, she discovered a fluffy white rabbit named Cotton. With big, floppy ears and a twitching nose, Cotton became Lily's instant friend. Together, they embarked on magical adventures, chasing butterflies and finding hidden treasures. Cotton, being a clever rabbit, taught Lily the language of the forest. They giggled as they spoke in whispers to the trees, and the trees would share their ancient tales. As seasons changed, so did their friendship, growing as strong as the mighty oak trees. Lily and Cotton became inseparable, creating a bond that filled their days with laughter and joy. And so, in the heart of the village, a tale unfolded. The tale of a young girl and her rabbit, proving that the most enchanting adventures are found in the simplest of friendships.